Today I'll be talking about this E88 drone that I bought from Jumia. I bought this drone. I bought this drone. I bought it on the 22nd of December for my content creating. So I think I need a drone. So I later found out this drone is a toy drone, and I was trying to test it. It is hard to fly. The drone is hard to fly. Review of this drone, which I fly in a field, and the drone was so terrible. Like, if you want to start content or you want to use this drone for your personal use, please do not try to buy this drone because it's a toy. You can't fly it, you can't enjoy flying it. It's going to stress you, and the camera is so bad. The camera is so bad. You can't enjoy this drone. E88, please, I will not recommend this drone for you guys. See the fan just stopped. This one just stopped. This one has stopped again. See. Don't try to buy it. No matter how you charge the battery, it's not going to work. It's not going to last. It's not going to last. See, this one has stopped. This one is going to stop. This one has stopped. And stop. That's all. So don't waste your money, please. Don't waste your money, please. Do not buy this drone. Thank you. Thanks for the video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.